Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make a soufflé egg, updated. Whisk whites until they hold firm peaks, fold in yolk mixture gently, and fill ramekins. Use a warm oven and avoid opening the door while baking to maintain lift. Aim for a pale golden top and a wobble in the center for perfect texture. Serve immediately with a light garnish and enjoy the delicate rise and flavor. Whisk egg whites with steady speed until they form soft peaks, then add sugar gradually to stabilize. Prepare the yolk base by seasoning and mixing any herbs or cheese gently. When folding, cut through the center and lift to turn the mixture over, keeping as much air as possible. Stop when streaks disappear to avoid deflating the batter. Transfer to ramekins and smooth the tops before baking for even rise. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to support the channel and see more recipes. Quick recommendation: the Oala water bottle is great for staying hydrated during long baking sessions and has a leak-proof cap that makes kitchen use easy and fun. I find it handy when timing rises and waiting for ovens, and it comes in fun colors to match your apron. Check the description for the link and deals. Now let's get back to the video. Experiment with flavors by adding cheese, herbs, or sweet elements to the yolk base before folding. Keep mix-ins small and evenly distributed so they don't weigh down the batter. Balance stronger ingredients with neutral whites and consider reducing salt when using salty cheeses. Test your base before folding for final seasoning. Small changes yield big personality in each soufflé, so start simple and adjust to your preferences over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.